The girl child has been put much effort on the girl child in that in future this girl kama ataolewa na nani na atataka mwenye hayuko standard yake, huoni kama hapo kuna risk. So the more we put effort on the girl child, we are also supposed to give the same equal effort to the boy child. Because that's why we are saying of the prophecy, so that you can look of tomorrow, not only today.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the Love of Theo channel. My name is Theo, the man from the rock. And ladies and gentlemen, today we have a very special visitor here. He's a father, a mentor, a motivational speaker, and also he is an MC. He's going to talk with us about the role of a man in a family.
You are the king.
The king.
And as a king, this is the lifestyle you live. How you live with your family. Give them once in a while a treat. Take them out. Don't be a dictator. Once in a while, take your family out. Go where you can afford to pay.
Yeah.
Yes. Don't go where you're going to strain yourself as a man, so that you can please your family. Alafu baadaye unakuja kulia ningejua.
Single.
Once in a while, take your family out.
Okay.
Yes. Take your family out. Yeah.
So hii out, it doesn't matter ni wapi, bora wametoka out.
Yes, like if you have kids, it depends on the age. We have the bouncing castle, we have the swimming, we have the play group. As they are playing there, you are here talking with your wife, and discussing some other issue outside your environment that you are used to. Yeah.
Okay, sawa. Mwanaume unafanyanga hivyo ama? Personally nitawaambia baadaye.
And this one also it helps in the bond. You are bonding with your family. Yes. With the children, with your wife. You are bonding. Yeah.
Okay.
You think about that. Thank you. Once in a while.
Once in a while.
Not once in a while. Number 3 or number 4. You are the provider. You are the provider. You are the provider.
Lazima urauke.
Exactly. That's why hata wamama wanasemanga ama women say pesa mwanaume ni tamu.
Alafu anasema yao ni yao.
Exactly.
Alafu ya mwanaume ni yao.
Ya mwanaume ni yetu, lakini yake ni yangu. Yes. Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah. So you are the provider. The book of 1 Timothy 5:8. It says that inasema kwamba mtu ambaye hatunzi jamaa wa nyumbani mwake, huyo mtu ni mbaya zaidi kuliko mtu asiamini Mungu. Kutunza.
Yani kutunza, take care of them.
To take care of. The person who does not take care of his family, or what we call it the nuclear family.
Yes.
You are bad than the person who does not believe, who is not a believer. Yeah.
So hiyo ni wembe kali.
Exactly.
So wale wanaume wenye wako pale church ama nini, however much you are in church, you are praying nini, it doesn't matter vile unaabudu Mungu nini, you are worse than ule jamaa.
Exactly. You are worse than
mwenye afikianga hata.
You are worse than a pagan. If you cannot provide for your family, you are worse than a pagan. Yes. Who does not believe in God. Yeah. I'm not the one who say that. It's a book. 1 Timothy 5:8. Yeah.
Soma hiyo kitabu. Nitawaandikia hapo kama headline, some alafu muone vile.
Yeah, it is very, very important. Then as we go on, because I had a little bit we say about the 5. Number 5. You are the authority of the home. Yeah.
Zote wewe ndio unasema.
Yeah, you are the authority of the home.
Unakufunga mlango saa fulani.
Exactly.
Kukula ni saa fulani.
Yeah. In fact hakuna nyumba ambayo ina sheria. Kama hakuna sheria kwa familia yote, that familia
It's not even a family.
is not even a family, and then number two, it won't go far. Yeah, it won't go far.
Okay.
Yes, there must be rules and regulations in every family. Yeah.
Okay. So unapata kuna wale wazazi wenye watoto wame overtake. As in mtoto ndiye anajua ni time gani ya kuwatch program fulani. Kama ni cartoon anataka cartoon. Wewe mzazi unataka kuwatch news, yeye ako na cartoon. Wazazi kama hao, what can you say about them?
Wewe unataka kufanya nini?
Watch news.
News. Na yeye anataka kufanya nini?
Watch cartoon.
It depends with the first, I'll say. On which day? Is it weekdays? Is it weekend? On weekdays, mtoto anataka kufanya homework akitoka shule. Yes.
But now kuna wale hata kama ni wageni wako, mtoto ndiye anataka
That means that huyu mtoto sio discipline.
Wazazi wamelegea.
Yes, wamelegea mahali. That child is not disciplined. Because when you have visitors at home, the child or the children should give you space with your visitors. Yeah.
I remember while I was young, the only thing you should do with a visitor is to greet them.
Exactly.
The rest, hauko.
No. Yes.
That's not your business.
And you are greeting that visitor as you are going outside, not even in the other room.
Outside. Wow.
Yes.
So I think there's so much that wazazi wa sasa hivi wanafaa kushughulikia sana kuhusu.
Most of the time that is watu wameingia katika kutafuta sana. We don't have time with our family in that we dedicate much of our time ya kuhustle. So when you come back in the evening, both of you maybe you are tired. So that means inamaanisha kwamba you don't have time for your family. And when you don't have time for your family, inamaanisha kwamba usipopanga familia yako, hao watoto watakupanga. Yes.
So wale wenye wanapangwa, hiyo ni automatic.
Exactly. Yes. Watakupanga. Yes. Na wakikupanga leo, kesho kutwa, matunda yake baadaye haitakuwa mazuri. Yes.
Hata hawezi change.
Exactly. Haitakuwa mazuri. That's why you see even children nowadays kukusimamia hata kwa kitu ni shida. Kwa sababu the way they have been brought up. During our time mgeni akiingia and you are in the house, my friend.
Macho tu inamaliza.
Exactly. You're out.
Macho tu inamaliza.
You're out.
Okay.
Then as we continue number 6. The role of a man in the family. Number 6, you are your wife, lover and friend.
Lover and friend.
Exactly.
Kuna wale hawaongeangi.
Kuna wale hawaongeangi. That's the way of style of running their family.
But sasa now nani atalaumiwa hapo?
Nani atalaumiwa wapi?
Is a man.
Automatically the ball stops the man. You are the head of the family. Yes.
So
even if you are speaking or not, the back stops the family. Yeah.
So what will happen kwa ule saa zingine ama tuseme, is this what causes men to move out?
Because of?
As in there's no that kuwa lovers, kuwa friends and nini.
How did you meet first?
Kuna vitu things do happen.
No, how did you meet? Yes. How did you meet? Because before she is your wife, she became your wife, she was your friend. Yes. Then you started dating. After some time, yes, ikaenda hivyo, you introduce her to your family.
But now things they go zikianguka mpaka hao watu ni kama wanakuwa maadui. What happens?
It depends how do you nurture a relationship. Yeah. How do you have time for each other?
So what maybe ukifafanua hii relationship ama friendship na hii love aje?
A friend, even you are my friend. But a lover is somebody different. There's these things that say that he's my boyfriend. It's not bad for a boyfriend. But people mistake it with They don't differentiate between a friend and a lover.
Friend and a lover.
Exactly.
Oh.
Yeah.
So boyfriend is just a plain word.
Yes.
And then a lover.
Yeah. Exactly.
Iko ndani ndani.
Mm.
So kuna hao watu when you talk to them ama when they come in history na mapenzi ama nini, especially kwa mapenzi, things go zikienda kabisa. Maybe let's say when these people got married, they used to have sex, maybe let's say every day, let's say for example every day. But now when time goes, because that means kuna mapenzi bado inakolea pale ndani. Now with the time inakuja ikireduce ikikuja mpaka hao watu ni kama just let's say sleeping partners, wanalala tu hapo kila mtu kivyake. What happens? What about that?
Automatically when you start wakati mko katika ndoa bado ndoa ni changa, automatically you are only two. There's not that party or fourth party. Yeah. So the concentration is on your partner. Yes. And remember, you are both new to each other. Yeah. So you want to please each other. So as time goes by, remember you are wearing also out. You don't have that strength that you used to have it when you are
when you first
when you first
the
met.
first year, first
Exactly.
months,
Yeah. You don't have that strength. Yeah.
Okay. What about that now? Umesema about the third party. What happens? Because when the third party comes in, I don't know, concentration sana wa mama. The concentration automatically goes to the young one, to the baby young one.
That's why we have in the church, we have family life teachings.
Yeah.
Every now and then I could urge the couples to go to that seminar. It's good and reminds them of their obligation and duty, because they say your duty as a wife and your duty as a mother or as a parent, those are different, and you are supposed to perform them. Your duty as a father, as a husband, and as a parent. Yeah. The child needs you as a parent, and as a father or as a mother. Your partner needs you as a husband, not a parent. Exactly.
Moja ikilegea,
exactly.
Ingia hapo ndani ya hapo chini. Make sure you subscribe if you are new here.